baby born a Birkin. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries, the list goes on and on. It's 9 to 5, ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy.
Last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last.
Wait, is that a fit? I might have just got a bite already.
Make you grip the sheets
Couldn't
with your
tell, really.
fingertips. Last bottle of Jack, we split a fifth. Just talking about life, going sip for sip. Yeah, you know you love.
Oh, drop my net.
And I say
get
shit
back.
I don't
Bro, look at this pickerel.
but I'm
Look
still
at this
gonna
thing.
wake up on you and me. I know that last night
No, it was on the swim bait. Yo, Ali.
I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night that we break up. I see you till I in the dust. You call your mama, I call your bluff. And in the middle of the night, pull it right back up. Yeah, my friends say let her go. Your friends say what the hell, I wouldn't trade your kind of love for nothing else. Oh baby, last night we let the liquor talk. I can't remember everything we said, but we said it all. You told me that you wish I was somebody you never met. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. We said we'd had enough. I can't remember everything we said, but we said too much. I know you packed your shit and slammed the door right before you left. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night. I know you said this time you really weren't coming back again. But baby, baby, something's telling me this ain't over yet. No way it was our last night. No way it was our last night.
Come on, babe. Another pickerel. Oh, it came off! No, it came off! No!
Everyone seems a damn genius.
Yo, Trent.
Lately, TikTok talking late night.
Another pickerel.
So much I have yet.
Oh shit, bad net job. Bad net job. Let's go.
Get dressed up.
Yo, another
go
good one.
downtown in some ego filled late night crowd. Seems to be where I
Let's go,
feel
baby.
most
Oh
alone.
shit, oh shit, oh shit. Ooh, friend.
Like to get lost on some old back road, find a shade tree and a honey hole, and talk to my grandpa again. I see God in everything.
Oh my, another one.
In pain and nights in the spring.
Big
so
mouth.
why do I still long for a home?
Hey, Margie.
I like to lay in a field on a cozy blanket and feel.
Oh, yes, sir, in the gullet.
Never awaken, know
shit.
the true warmth of the sun.
Oh my God, it's good, bro.
I like to love my lady long and hard and lay down lines of layman guitar. Never leave her loving arms again. My exes hate me and my friends all miss me. I wanna drown in rock gut whiskey. Leave this small town for a while. Heading to Paris on a late night flight.
Good fish,
find
bro.
a bar and get in a fight. Ride a
Oh my god, that's about to go crazy.
Gang, my stepper gon' brush him if I press the button too drippy to scuffle. The blick in the duffel, it came with a muzzle, so why would I tussle? Diamonds dancing flooded, we don't turn nothing into something. Niggas be capping, bluffing, tweak, that's a hole in your muff. My stepper gon' brush him if I press the button too drippy to scuffle.